Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to contact Claude AI support. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're signed in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile or account name. This will open the account menu. From the menu, click on Get Help. This will open the built-in support messenger where you can contact Claude support directly. Next, click on Send us a message to start a conversation with the AI support assistant. It will give you some instructions. Simply click on Accept. After a few seconds, it will give you a message box. Clearly describe the issue you are experiencing, including what you were trying to do, what happened, and any error messages you received. If the AI support assistant is unable to resolve your issue, it will forward your request to the Claude support team. They will review your case and send a response to your registered email address. Be sure to check your inbox, including your spam or junk folder, for their reply. And that's it. So that's basically how you can contact Claude AI support. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.